And ang katotohanan, mga kapatid, the hardest person to have a meaningful conversation with regarding the beauty of the gospel is a person who feels no guilt over sin. Isang tao na meron siyang mindset na he is good enough to earn salvation. Probably, na-experience niya na ito. You have this gospel conversation with a friend or yung kapitbahay mo, then nung dumating ka na sa point na you need to tell your friend that all men are not inherently good because no one is righteous by God's standard. Ang sagot sa inyo, I don't believe you. Kasi, papaano yung mga popes? O papaano yung mga santo? And dahil my good, then I am also considered righteous if my good works outweighs my bad works. So kung yung good works mo, mas madami dun sa bad works mo, then you are considered good. If ganito yung response sa inyo, I think there's no point in presenting the gospel further. Because a person cannot understand the love and the mercy of God in salvation if he cannot accept that he is radically helpless to help himself. Mga kapatid, the beauty of the gospel can only be seen by people who see no inherent beauty in them. And the recognition of man's guilt and sin, ito yung unang great element ng gospel ni Jesus Christ. And ang role natin as a church living in this world is to tell men that all men are guilty before God. And dito gustong pumunta ni Pablo. Ang gusto niya is to preach the pure gospel of Christ so that every mouth, sabi nung binasa natin sa verse 19, may be shut and all the world may become accountable to God.